Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel for week 4 update on my Canadian Dividend Growth portfolio. So as we can see, since last week we are down 2.17% because today Monday was a big drop in the market. Today we are down 1.55%. We are now sitting at a total of 17,600 bucks. So let's take a look at what we bought this week. So since last week, we we bought one share of Bell Canada, one share of Canadian Utilities, one share of TELUS, one share of BNS, one share of TD, one share of VDY, one share of Bell, another share of Canadian Utilities, another share of VDY, BNS, TD, Canadian Utilities, VDY, and here's a new stock that I just added to the portfolio. Manulife Canada, I bought 2 shares at $19.14. One share of Pembina Pipeline. Here I bought a third share of Manulife. 2 more shares of Pembina because the stock was down quite a bit. 2 shares of TELUS. 1 share of Bell. 1 share of VDY. Another share of Pembina. Bank of Nova Scotia. TELUS, VDY. A fourth share of Manulife, so we now have 4 shares. And here I bought another 6 share of on September 1, September 21. So we now have 10 share of Manulife. So today I bought TD, 2 share of Bank of Nova Scotia, 1 share of Pembina, 6 share of VDY, and 1 share of Riocan. So let's see if we receive some dividend this week. We receive only one dividend, and it's 80 cents from Northland Power, nothing big. Let's see the deposit. So last week I added the 500 bucks, and this week I added another 490 bucks. So now let's take a look at all my stock and how many I have. 22 share of Brookfield Affiliate Management with an average price of 44.92. 14 share of Bell Canada. I'd like to add more Bell Canada in the future. We now have 40 share of Bank of Nova Scotia with an average price of 55.85. Canadian Utilities, we now have 16 share. Ford, 12 share. Fortis, an utilities company, I have 30 share and an average price of 52.94. Manulife, the new stock that I had last week on my portfolio, 10 share with an average price of 18.78. Northland Power, which is in fire this week, 9.3% since last week. I have 16 share with an average price of 36. Nutrient, 12 share at 45 bucks. Pembina Pipeline, 35 share at 31.96. Riocan, a REIT, 138 share. Sun Life Financial, 13 share at 51.49. TELUS Corp, 33 share at 23.77. TD Bank, one of my favorite stock, 40 share at 62 and 67. And finally, an ETF, VDY, high dividend yield ETF from Canada. In Canada, I now have 90 share at an average price of $29.50. And we now have available to trade $3 and 23 cents. And I think Wednesday I will be able to buy new stock with that 490 bucks. That's gonna be able to trade soon. So that's it. Here's a look at my total portfolio, which is down 0.58% since I started. Today was a big drop, 1.55. So smash the like button. Subscribe, guys, for another update next week. Thanks for watching.